In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk download attachments Gmail. If you've ever had to save a pile of files from Gmail, clicking each one can be painfully slow. I'll walk you through the most reliable options, from quick wins inside Gmail to more powerful methods when you need everything at once. Let's start with what Gmail already offers. When a single email contains multiple attachments, open that message on a computer and look for the Download All Attachments button near the bottom of the email. It appears as a small downward arrow and creates a single zip file with everything inside. For longer conversations where files are spread across several messages in the same thread, open the conversation, click the three dots in the top toolbar, choose Forward All, and send that to yourself. When your copy arrives, open it and you'll typically see all attachments grouped together, often with a Download All option. Keep in mind, Gmail's built-in tools don't let you pick a bunch of separate emails from across your inbox and download all their attachments in one go. For that, you'll need extra tools. If you're on desktop and want something faster, consider a browser extension designed for Gmail. Some extensions add a Download All button inside conversations, while others let you select multiple emails and pull every attachment into a single zip file. These run in your browser, typically Chrome, and work directly in the Gmail interface. Before installing, check reviews, make sure the developer is reputable, and review the permissions. Test on a small set first to confirm it behaves as expected. Another approach is to save files to Google Drive, then download them from there. Open each email with attachments and click the Google Drive icon next to each file to save it. Once they're in Drive, go to your Drive, select many files at once, and download them as a zip. This isn't fully automatic, but it's far quicker than saving each file individually. For easier management, save into a dedicated folder so you can select the entire folder later. If you need absolutely everything, use Google Takeout. Visit takeout.google.com, select Only Mail, and start an export. Google will prepare an archive, usually in a .mbox file, and send you a download link. After downloading, use an email client or a specialized tool to extract the attachments from the mbox. This method is more advanced and can take a while, but it's the most comprehensive. Choose the method that matches your workload, unzip your downloads when needed, and you'll save a ton of time.